Dopamine Detox explained, take back control of your mind. You wake up. First thing you do, grab your phone. Scroll, notifications, videos, noise, and before your day even begins, your mind is already tired. This is not laziness. This is not lack of discipline. This is dopamine overload. This is a brain that has been overstimulated. This is a mind that has been trained to crave easy rewards. This is what happens when pleasure becomes constant and effort becomes optional. This is why focus feels impossible. This is why hard things feel heavier than they should. This is why you start but cannot finish. This is not weakness, this is conditioning, and what has been conditioned can be reprogrammed. Dopamine is the chemical of motivation, reward, and desire. But when you flood your brain with constant stimulation, social media, junk food, instant entertainment, you destroy your ability to focus, to work, to grow. And here's the truth most people avoid. The more pleasure you chase, the less satisfaction you feel. You've trained your brain to expect easy rewards. So when life demands effort, studying, working, building something meaningful, your mind resists. That's why you feel stuck. That's why you procrastinate. That's why you start strong and quit fast. But here's the shift. A dopamine detox is not about removing joy. It's about resetting your brain to value effort again. You must become comfortable with silence, with boredom, with discipline, because growth lives in discomfort. Weakness lives in convenience. Imagine this, no phone for hours, no distractions, no shortcuts, just you and your goals. At first, it will feel uncomfortable. Your brain will crave stimulation. You'll feel restless. Good. That's the detox working. Because when you remove the noise, you finally hear your purpose. You begin to think clearly again. You begin to focus deeper. You begin to feel real satisfaction, not cheap pleasure. And here's where your life changes. The same things that felt hard before, reading, working, exercising, building something meaningful, start to feel rewarding again. Why? Because you reset your dopamine baseline. Now effort feels good, progress feels powerful, discipline becomes your identity. Discipline is choosing what you want most over what you want now. This is where winners are created. Not in comfort, not in endless scrolling, but in control. Control of your time, control of your mind, control of your habits. So here's the challenge. Go one day without unnecessary dopamine. No social media. No junk distractions, no mindless consumption. Just focus, work, improve, then do it again. Because you don't rise to your goals, you fall to your systems. And this system, this reset, will separate you from everyone else. While others stay addicted, you become disciplined. While others chase pleasure, you build power. While others waste time, you create a future. So ask yourself, are you in control of your mind? Or is your mind controlling you? Because the moment you take back control, your entire life begins to change. Follow for more powerful mindset and disciplined content.